folks who don't want to get vaccinated are really jeopardizing this. They are making it more likely that other people will get sick and will wind up in hospitals. And we worked really hard to get ourselves into a good place. And relatively speaking, we're in a good place, but these numbers are not good numbers. 57 new cases is multiples of where we were just a few short weeks ago before the Delta expanded like wildfire in this county, as it's doing throughout the rest of the country. So we continue to be very concerned about this. Currently, 70.5% of our residents have received both doses of Pfizer and Moderna, or a single dose of J&J, according to CDC data. And we continue to lead the nation at 83% of our eligible population being vaccinated. 91.2% of our eligible population has had at least one dose. It's important to note that 77% of our new confirmed COVID cases are in unvaccinated individuals. 23% of this number is for people between the ages of 0 and 19, and 77% are in people who are 20 and older. And from our data, 20 to 40-year-old unvaccinated adults are driving our new cases. The unvaccinated are at great risk, and they are putting others at risk. There's no better way or nicer way to say it. I encourage everyone who's unvaccinated to get vaccinated, and please don't wait until you get sick. It could be too late.
We are, as we've done throughout the pandemic, continue to look at those measures of community transmission, including our positivity rate, which we are seeing an increase in the number of folks getting tested, as well as our case rate, our hospitalization rate, and we have a new factor now that we didn't have last year, which is the percentage of our residents vaccinated. The burden and impact of the Delta variant is most impactful in those folks who are unvaccinated. We're seeing across the country an uptick in cases across the board, particularly in that group. That group remains the overwhelming majority, if not all, of the hospitalizations across the state, as well as COVID-related fatalities. So we continue to encourage folks to get vaccinated so that we can drive down community transmission and move on to a post-COVID world.